Connect the inlet hose and drain hose as directed. Switch on the dishwasher and select the wash cycle program as per requirement. Choose the intensive mode. For heaviest soiled crockery and normally soiled pots, pans, dishes, etc. Normal wash program. For normally soiled loads such as pots, plates, glasses and lightly soiled pans. Eco Wash Program. This is a standard program. It is suitable to clean normally soiled tableware and is the most efficient program in terms of energy and water consumption. Glass Care. For lightly soiled loads such as glasses, crystal and fine crockery. Clean and Shine Program. For lightly soiled crockery and glass. Choose Program Mini. A shorter wash for lightly soiled loads and quick wash. For delay start of the operation, press timer button and choose the desired duration.
Presenting Amazon Basics 12-place setting dishwasher in the color silver. This dishwasher features 7 wash programs. The intensive program is for heavily soiled crockery like kadhai. The normal program is for normally soiled loads. The glass program is for lightly soiled crockery and glass items. The 90-minute program is for normally soiled loads that need a shorter wash. The rapid program is for a quick wash for lightly soiled loads that do not need drying. The soak program is the rinse function for dishes with tough stains. Eco is a special program for saving water and electricity. The dishwasher is suitable for all kinds of utensils in the Indian kitchen and is ideal for dishes with oil and masala stains. The adjustable upper shelf feature lets you to create space for large utensils at the bottom. It comes with half-load option for daily washing of smaller loads and extra drying function to help avoid water stains on washed utensils. This 12-place sitting dishwasher works at 49 decibels for a disturbance-free wash. It features easy-to-use button controls for on and off, delay start, extra drying and start or pause. The Amazon Basics dishwasher consumes 11 liters of water per cycle and 0.9 kilowatt-hours of energy. The product comes with standard brand warranty.
With 40 years of innovation and excellence, ONIDA dishwashers come with a 12-place and 14-place capacity designed for a large load, which in one load can wash a dinner set of an entire family. Further, this dishwasher also features a unique and a dedicated cutlery tray. ONIDA's 14-place dishwasher comes with an extensive 8-program digital display to meet all your multi-purpose washing needs. The dishwasher features Eco, Auto, Intensive, Glass, 90 minutes, Rapid, Soak and Normal programs. ONIDA dishwashers have an easy-to-use water softening system and a detergent dispensing box. Open the box and put in 2 tablespoons of dishwasher powder. The detergent box also has a rinse aid option for an effective wash. ONIDA dishwashers takes care of rough stains, dirt, bacteria and germs as it heats water up to 70 degrees Celsius. From oil stains to masala stains to greasy curries, ONIDA dishwashers are perfect to take on the toughest of tough stains with a high-pressure cleaning function designed for Indian kitchens. ONIDA dishwashers simplify your life while reducing electricity consumption, saving energy while not just cleaning but also while drying. With its delay start function, you can now instruct the dishwasher to start operations with up to 24 hours buffer time. No worries, no hassles, only clean, hygienic dishes that are ready when you need them to be and at your convenience. Perfect space utilization. Make maximum use of space with use of racks that fold and baskets that can be shifted. Now, let's talk about the programs. ONIDA's dishwasher comes with EcoClean function for a light wash. Then we have Auto Wash, which automatically adjusts the temperature and water usage smartly. Another smart program by ONIDA is the Glass Cap program, which systematically washes all your plastic cups, mugs and glasses. The dishwasher comes with special intensive program which washes the dishes at 70 degrees Celsius, removing all the tough stains. When you're in a hurry, get the dishes done in 40 minutes with its quick wash function. Dual zone option adjusts the water spray intensity on each rack, allowing fragile glassware to be washed gently in the upper rack while heavily soiled pots and pans receive a more powerful wash in the lower rack in the same cycle. ONIDA dishwasher's half-load feature allows you to start the cleaning process even if the dish load is not complete, giving you clean and tidy dishes with low resource consumption. ONIDA dishwashers understand the need of water consumption and will smartly use water with its smart water sensor technology. ONIDA dishwashers have a strong and effective drainage system perfectly designed for Indian homes. Highest A++ energy rating as per European standards for low energy consumption, better cleaning and drying performance. Child lock function allows you to lock the buttons on the panel which cannot be changed by a child while he or she is playing with it.